Well, this is a part of my life that I've never shared with anybody before. And certainly there's not usually a video camera around when I don't feel well. And the times that I've asked my wife to film me when I'm not feeling well, she doesn't want to. And she wants the memories of her husband to be positive. I understand that. The last few days have really shown me a lot. And I think that if our experience can serve a purpose and help other people, then it makes sense. And also, even the people who are closest to me don't really know my journey and my family's journey of me absorbing a lot of the energy because of just persistent chronic health challenges, chronic fatigue syndrome, adrenal exhaustion, constant back pain and sciatica. It's, and then all the emotional garbage that goes with that. It's been hard. And I haven't been able to work for like over 3 months now, 3 months now. And it's getting expensive. And my wife, her name's Alice, and I think finally for the first time, she sees the reason, or one of the reasons, that I signed up with the SFM and really pursued online marketing and online business. I've always known that, not I've always known, my body has some special needs. And a lot of my energy over the last 10 years has gone toward earning a living. And so when I come home from officiating weddings, I'm super exhausted and I have to lie down. And then I'm not able to really devote any quality energy and attention to my family. And it sucks. And it's definitely been a stressor for us. And I knew that I was making commitments that my body sometimes doesn't want to keep. And I have to power my way through it because, I've got a family to help support. And my car needs $1,500 worth of work, and it's an old car. It's only worth $2,000 because I've had it for so long. It's 11 years old. And it's a really bad time for a car payment. And it's been stressful. It's been real stressful. And because of the number of miles that I drive to officiate weddings, the lease will probably have to be Allison's car, and it'll be a downgrade for her maybe. And so that's stressful too. It sucks. It sucks. But for the first time, she understands, I think, why I pursued the online business venture is because being completely self-sufficient, where you're not reliant on anybody really or anything for the ability to earn a living, is pretty unbeatable. And when you're like me and you have special challenges that make it so you can't leave the house, or just whatever your challenges are, online business might be the answer. And so with that being said, we got to figure out, where we're moving money from in order to pay for this new car payment. And man, this sucks. So it's been a wonderful time to focus on the things that we have to be grateful for, and for meditating and resting in the place of possibility, right? In the unknown, in the wave versus the particle, if you like quantum physics, or in spirit, if you're a religious or spiritual person. And as a family, we have decided to practice with our kids. What do you want to work on this week? What are we striving toward? What's, just all positive stuff, and keeping track of it and talking about it. And anyways, I'm convinced now more than ever that earning a legitimate living online for me is the only way to go. Not having a boss, not having employees, not having to stock any inventory at all, not having to ship anything to anybody, not having to be anywhere at any specific time, no dress code. I don't have to leave the house. I can, I don't have to. I would really rather go to a coffee shop or rotate around and take my laptop places, but that's just not possible right now. It will be. So I'm filming my journey. And if times are getting financially tight and we can't afford to pay for advertising, I got a few months left where I can pay for YouTube advertising to tell people about the SFM, then I have to build my channel organically by making videos. And I don't know, if this video resonates with you, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, hit the thumbs up, and watch me on my journey. I'm going to show you that the SFM works because I don't have a choice. Straight up. I have no choice. So I'm going to show you how to do it. And I'm going to show you how to do it with paid advertising, and I'm going to show you how to do it without using money. And I'm choosing YouTube. And lots of people use Facebook or Instagram or whatever, LinkedIn. I hope you have a good day. I really, truly do. And I ask that you count your blessings and that you think of the things that you have to be grateful for. Write a gratitude list. It's one of the most powerful things in the world. Write down 10 things I am truly happy and grateful for. The ability to taste, the ability to see, the ability to hear good music, read a good book. You can get basic. Get basic. And then you realize just how good you've got it. How good we all have it. Despite our perceived challenges, We got clean air, clean water. There's no one driving down the street trying to attack us, probably in a Jeep full of guys. We're lucky. Have a good day.